कल नाइट स्टे पर कितना मज़ा आया। मेरी कोई ज्वेलरी तो नहीं रह गई तेरे घर? मैं चेक कर लूँगी, लेकिन ज्वेलरी नहीं ज्वेलरी होता है। ओह, तो ये होती है इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन। कुछ वर्ड्स की प्रोनाउंसिएशन कितनी मुश्किल होती है ना। क्या आपने भी कभी एक्सेसरी को असेसरी बोला है या वेंसडे को वेडनेसडे? तो आज की वीडियो देखने के बाद देयर विल बी नो सच प्रॉब्लम, तो वीडियो को पूरा जरूर देखना। हाय गाइस, आई एम आरुषि, एक्स बिजनेस क्लास एयर होस्टेस एंड योर इंग्लिश एजुकेटर। एंड आज की वीडियो में हम दो फ्रेंड्स नेहा और अंजलि की कॉन्वर्सेशन के थ्रू 20 मोस्ट बेसिक मिसप्रोनाउंस वर्ड्स की सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन सीखेंगे with examples. So let's begin. What will you have in dessert? I'll have a cheesecake in dessert. D-E-S-S-E-R-T. Dessert. Dessert is in Rajasthan and dessert is a sweet dish. For example, after dinner I can't wait to have my favorite dessert. By the way, मैं February में ट्रिप प्लान कर रही हूँ. February is great. फेब्रुअरी को लोग अक्सर फेब्रुअरी बोल देते हैं, जबकि करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन है फेब्रुअरी, आर की साउंड के साथ। एग्जाम्पल, माई बर्थडे इज इन फेब्रुअरी। हाँ भैया, आप सामान भेज दीजिए, मिल्क, ब्रेड, एक्सेट्रा। एक्सेट्रा नहीं, एटसेट्रा होता है, एटसेट्रा। वेरी कॉमनली मिसप्रोनाउंस्ड एज एक्सेट्रा, जबकि इसकी सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन है एटसेट्रा। For example, please buy some fruits for me like apples, oranges, etc. मुझे ना ये कूपन रिडीम करना है। From the website you can redeem this coupon. Coupon is coupon, not coupon. Very simple. For example, I have a coupon for a free beverage. मेरी आज मीटिंग है, I'll probably go. ये probably क्या होता है? It's probably. Probably को गलत बोलना बहुत कॉमन है, such as probably, but सही pronunciation है probably. For example, I'll probably go to office tomorrow. मुझे ना यहाँ की almond milk coffee बहुत पसंद है. Yes, almond milk coffee is very healthy. Almond, not almond. L is silent. Example, I love eating almonds. ये कैफे कितना कंफर्टेबल है ना, वेरी कंफर्टेबल। कंफर्टेबल को मिसप्रोनाउंस किया जाता है एज कंफर्टेबल, बट इट्स कंफर्टेबल, नॉट कंफर्टेबल। एग्जाम्पल, this chair or this couch is so comfortable. By the way, for my trip, I'm planning to book a suite room. Suites are spacious and luxury. S-U-I-T-E is not suite, it's suite. For example, we booked a suite for our vacation. ये कॉफ़ी ना ज़्यादा strong नहीं है. I want an espresso shot. You mean espresso shot? ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा common है. Espresso, not espresso. There is no X, it's an S. So for example, I need an espresso shot to wake me up. I think they are going to start a lunch buffet. It's buffet. B-U-F-F-E-T is buffet, not buffet. For example, the buffet has so many options. I often get confused too. It's okay, we all do oftentimes. O-F-T-E-N is often. T is silent, not often, often. For example, I often go to the gym after my breakfast. Anyway, what genre movies do you like? It's genre. G-E-N-R-E is not genre, it's genre. For example, my favorite genre of music is jazz. My phone storage is almost over. There is just no data. You can upgrade your plan for more data. D-A-T-A is not data, it's data. Data. For example, I need some time to analyze the data. I want to order a cheese burst pizza. Yes, I love cheese burst pizza too. P-I-Z-Z-A is not pizza, it's pizza. Imagine there's a T in between. Pizza. For example, I ordered a large pizza for dinner. We can also have a bolognese pasta with it. Yeah, the bolognese here is great. Bolognese, not bolognese. For example, I am cooking spaghetti bolognese for tonight. So I recently purchased a new cupboard because I needed more space for my clothes. So from where did you buy this cupboard? Cupboard, not cupboard. For example, the dishes are in the cupboard. At home, I also need more space, for my clothes. You mean clothes? Clothes, not clothes. Sometimes जब हम fast कोई sentence बोल रहे हैं, people tend to say clothes. But it's always clothes. For example, I need to wash my clothes. Does my dress look okay? I forgot to iron it. Yeah, it looks ironed. Iron, not iron. Like for eyes we say EYE, the same way. Iron. For example, I need to iron my dress. I also feel like ordering a hot soup bowl. I have a bad throat. Yeah, a soup bowl will be great. BOWL is not bowl, but it's bowl, like BOLE, bowl. For example, can you pass me the salad bowl? After this, you can go home and rest. I will ask for the bill receipt. Yeah, the bill receipt. Receipt, not receipt. P is silent. For example, can you pass me the receipt? So here is a quick recap of 20 most basic mispronounced words that you cannot be mispronouncing. I hope आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी. I believe correct pronunciation also contributes to what level of fluency you have in English. Let's correct our basics before we move to the more difficult stuff. Subscribe for more communication improvement and personality development content, and share this video with a friend who would love to learn about these correct pronunciations, and I will see you in my next one.